In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and when you're ready, hit System and Update. Now select Keyboard and Input Method. Manage keyboards and then Gboard. Over here. Now it's time to select text correction and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!